So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is work around with contact form element inside of Strikingly. So over here you can see that I have added in make your own section right here. So once you go ahead and add that in, you can go ahead and click on add elements right here, and then here you can see contact form as an option. Go ahead and click, and then you can see a contact form is inserted. So now in order to go ahead and change out how the contact form actually works, you can go ahead and click on edit right here, and then in the form name you can go ahead and add in whatever you want. You can go ahead and change the thank you message right here as well. So let's just go ahead and just add in thanks. And then let's say when the form is actually submitted, I want to receive an email right here regarding the response. So you can go ahead and add in an email that you want to associate with. So you can go ahead and enable or disable different fields right here. Like you can go ahead and add in message, email, block the disposable email, name, and even add in phone number if you want to. And then add in the placeholder as you want as well. So I'm just going to go around and say your message right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and if you were to go ahead and click on save, you can see that now you have the name, email, and message right here. So now let's see how this actually goes ahead and works around. So if I were to go ahead and then, let's say for example, open up the URL right here, this is what you have. Now you can see the name, you got the email right here, and you can go ahead and add in a test message as you want as well. So if I were to go around over here and then click on submit, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then submit out the information. So you can see a CAPTCHA actually pops up. So you need to go ahead and prove that you are human right here, just like this. And as you go ahead and do that, you can see it says thanks right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in contact form element in the make your own section inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.